In just seconds, a peaceful Utah home turned into chaos as floodwaters burst through a window, destroying everything in their path. What began as a normal day quickly became a nightmare, with the family's basement submerged in moments. This serves as a powerful reminder of nature's duality. Its beauty can be breathtaking, but its fury is relentless. In the blink of an eye, the same forces that nurture life can also bring destruction. Stay vigilant, respect the power of nature, and don't forget to subscribe for more eye-opening stories.